Hi guys, Realme Smart TV launched in India with the Android TV and HDR10. The launch event also saw the launch of Realme Watch and Realme Buds Air Neo true wireless earphones. My name is Srinivas. Welcome to my channel Technical Vihant. Realme Smart TV launched in India with Android TV and HDR10. Price starts at Rs 12,999. The Realme Smart TV is available in two sizes, 32-inch and 43-inch. The Realme Smart 32-inch variant is priced at Rs 12,999, while the 43-inch variant is priced at Rs 21,999. The television will go on sale on June 2nd at 12 p.m. Indian Standard Time and will initially be available on Flipkart and Realme.com. The Realme has announced that the television will soon also be available through offline retailers. The Realme Smart TV is available in two sizes with resolution depending on the size variants. The 32-inch Realme Smart TV has a resolution of 1366 into 768 pixels HD ready, while the 43-inch variant has a resolution of 1920 into 1080 pixels Full HD. Apart from the screen size, the resolution, the two variants have the same specification and features. The Realme Smart TV runs on Android TV 9 Pie with the access to the Google Play Store for Android TV. Some apps including Netflix, Amazon Prime Video and YouTube come pre-installed on the television. Other specifications on the Realme Smart TV include a peak brightness of 400 nits, support for HDR up to HDR10, 1 GB RAM and 8 GB of internal storage for apps. The television is powered by the MediaTek MST6683 processor. MediaTek is widely considered to produce the best chipsets for smart televisions, and this will help with the performance on the Realme Smart TV. For sound, the Realme TV uses a 4-speaker system with 24 watt of rated sound output. The speaker system has two full-range drivers and two tweeters, thereby promising the better and more detailed sound. There is also a support for Dolby Audio and Bluetooth 5.0. The launch event also saw the launch of Realme Watch and Realme Buds Air Neo true wireless earphones, priced at Rs 3,999 and Rs 2,999 respectively. Realme expanding the portfolio and product launch plans closely resemble that the Xiaomi, which also has a varied product range and that goes far beyond smartphones. So what you guys think, please let me know in the comment section below. For my latest tech news and gadgets, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.